Yes, sir. You already know this your boy BAs. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we do, if you're new and you need brokerage, anything, you can use the brokerage in the description below, Webull, and you'll receive 4 free stocks. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You already know we doing a prediction today on AMC, ticker symbol AMC. Let's go ahead and look at it, y'all. Take a look at it. Okay, this morning it opened up at about $10, $9.93 a share. It dropped to $7.75, then it dropped hard to $6.32. Awesome dip buy. Then it went up to $8.55, right where you should be selling at, and then find you another re-entry price. That's what I would do. I'm a day trader. So now then it hovered around $7, $8 all day long. $7, $8, $7, $8. After it did this little spike, back up. Okay. Now it's at close of the day at 7:52. Look a week back. It's at the same resistance it was a week ago. That's what we're looking at on the chart. So if it's at the same thing it was a week ago, and we go back 5 to go back the year, it's the same thing that it was on the chart a week ago. It's in that same area, that same range. It's consolidating. So obviously this is a uptrend. It's in a bullish pattern, but we got to take things in consideration. This only bullish because of what's going on with the Reddit, with the Wall Street bets, and all the energy around GameStop and stuff. But as far as technical analysis and fundamentals, this is a risky play because of their finances, their revenues. They not making that much money right now. You get what I'm saying? They not making any money. Ain't nobody going to the movies. So, but they did get funded. They had got funded. They had did a fund for $900 million, and then that was 2 weeks prior to this going on. They had got funded for $900 million, and then today they got funded $205 million. They got some more money. So the CEO has spoken, was like, they're here to stay. Like, they ain't going nowhere. So that's something good to take into consideration. And also up here we have BlackRock. BlackRock just got an ownership into AMC. They bought 5.7% of the company. They got 6.2 million shares. So for BlackRock to take ownership and buy in at these prices, that's another great sign. That's a real good sign. So, and also, I wanted to explain to y'all on what really happened today, because AMC opened up strong. It opened up strong like it was ready to push for a very bullish uptrend. But these hedge funds, they was already short these stocks. And y'all got to understand that they was going to lose a whole lot of money. These stocks go how they want it to go around all the hype. So they trying to keep these stocks down. That's why today nobody wasn't selling AMC. None of these retail investors, we wasn't selling AMC. They was selling shares quickly back and forth to each other and manipulating the system to make it look like people were selling shares, and the system didn't pick it up fast enough to be able to see that they was just trading shares back and forth to each other, manipulating the price, and that'll cause the price to go down. So nobody wasn't really selling shares of AMC today. Not retail investors. It was the hedge funds having a short attack against this stock and many other stocks, especially on Monday. Like, it was crash, GME, crash, short attack. So, pay attention to that. But they're going to have, if you hold your shares, they're going to have to buy those shares back at whatever price you sell them for. You get what I'm saying? So, I mean, this, and then looking by the chart, this is a good buy right here. I wouldn't put all my eggs in. I would nibble. And then, because on the chart, it got so much upside potential. If I was to put a risk level on this, I'm going to start putting a risk level on the stocks that I do. As far as like, what from 1 to 10, what is the risk of y'all and me getting involved with this stock? From 1 to 10, the risk with AMC, I say is the risk, I say a 8. Like you only risking like 2 points, if that makes sense. The risk, like it's low risk. So low risk would be a high score. So I gave it an 8. You get what I'm saying? So if something was high risk, I would say a 2. If it was very, very high risk. You get what I'm saying? So I give this an 8, meaning at the price it's at now, it closed at 752. If it was to pull back to 710 to 690 to the 6s, definitely loading the boat a little more. If we pull all the way back to 5 and to the 4s, and maybe if we see the 3s, definitely start loading the boat. So it's like we don't got much room to fall. This stock is not going to zero. So it's like I would load as it down on the fall. If it fall, I would hope for it to fall. I want it to fall so I can load the boat. You get what I'm saying? So this is a very, very good stock to keep this on y'all radars, and I feel like it's in a very bullish uptrend, especially if we can get these shorts off our bet. It's having a short attack right now. So you already know that would be my prediction on AMC. And that's how we come. You already know this your boy B Hayes. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This your boy B Hayes. We out.